Hello, today's topic? At the museum.
Isn't this museum fascinating?
Yes, there's so much to see.
I love learning about history.
Me too. It's like stepping back in time.
Do you have a favorite exhibit?
I really enjoy the ancient artifacts.
The sculptures are also impressive.
Let's start with the ancient history section.
Sounds like a plan. Lead the way.
Look at these intricate carvings.
They're truly remarkable.
Do you know what era they're from?
I think they're from the Mesopotamian era.
That's fascinating. Let's read the plaque.
It provides more information about them.
I'm amazed by how advanced they were.
It's incredible what ancient civilizations achieved.
Shall we move on to the next exhibit?
Yes, let's explore the art gallery.
I love admiring paintings and sculptures.
Me too, they're so inspiring.
Look at this masterpiece.
It's breathtaking, isn't it?
Do you want to take a guided tour?
Yes, that sounds like a great idea.
We'll learn even more with a guide.
Let's check the tour schedule.
Here it is. The next tour starts in 15 minutes.
Perfect timing. Let's join it.
I'm excited to learn even more.
Me too, let's make the most of our visit.
Vocabulary.
Museum. Fascinating. Learning. History. Exhibit. Ancient. Artifact. Sculpture. Plan. Carving. Era. Information. Advanced. Civilization. Painting. Inspiring. Masterpiece. Guided. Tour. Visit.
Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel and turn on notifications so you don't miss any of our videos.